Good morning, everybody. It is time to peel this loofah. I waited like a day or two too late. It's still yellow right here, and right here, but most of it is pretty brown. You're gonna hear the washing machine going. As you know, I'm in the laundry room, and we have a sink in the laundry room. So I'm gonna go ahead, turn on some warm water. Sink is pretty clean. And I may not need the water, but if I see hard places, I'll get the loofah in water. It doesn't look as big as it did when it was growing, but hey, it is what it is. It hit my hand. And as you can see, I'm dressed because I'm going to go outside and harden off my seedlings some more. I started hardening them off yesterday. So if you don't know, let me turn this off. No. If you don't know, hardening off seedlings is when you've been growing seedlings indoor and you put them outside so that they can get acclimated to the weather. So the whole time I've been growing my seedlings, I've had a fan on so that the roots and stems and everything get strong. So I put them outside yesterday. We must have left around about 11 o'clock, and got home a little bit after 3. They were solid. So I put them back in the shed under the grow lights, watered them some more, and I want to put them out today. I don't think I'll be able to plant the seedlings today, which is okay. I'm going to check the weather because I think we have like a 40% chance of rain Thursday and Friday. And well, I'll see if I can plant them today. I have a notary to do at 12:30, and then I have to get some documents notarized by my notary down the street. So if I'm able to plant some today, I think I will, but I really need to check all of the garden beds for grubs. So I'm going to pull the remaining stuff out, use the weed tiller thing, get the weeds up under the trees, and start tilling the soil to see if there's more grubs, because I don't want to plant anything. That thing just fell, and there are grubs. So let me show you how to peel a loofah and get all the seeds out, which is not real hard, and then I'll take you outside and let you see what I'm doing today. is just some of the seeds that came out of Hawaiian loofah. There's still a whole bunch of seeds in there. But I'm gonna go get like a mesh strainer thing and get all these seeds, and I still have more seeds in the loofah. So I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so let me show you guys. You see there's still, I don't know if you can see, there's still a whole bunch of black seeds in there. So, like right there. So I'm still getting, oh, drop water on the floor. So I'm still getting seeds out. And I'm actually going to go outside and get the old loofahs I have and do those. And I'm gonna have to clean the water every time, because what happens is when you pull the loofah, when you peel the loofah, they're very sticky when they're still yellow and gooky. But you clean them off and they clean quite well. But look how pretty that loofah is. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish this one up, and then I'll show myself doing the other loofahs. Okay, so I had to cut the big loofah in half. Sorry, don't mean to make you sad. But there's still a lot of seeds. Let me show you. Caught up in here. I don't know if you can see them. Lots of seeds. So I need to get those seeds out. So have to cut it, but that's okay. I was gonna cut it anyway, just cutting it sooner. Okay, I'm finally back. I'm done. There were 2 loofahs I had to throw away. They just weren't any good. So now, as you can see right here, I don't know. Let's see. I have the loofahs and in warm, bleachy water, cleaning them out. Cleaning them out. And just to let you know that sometimes loofahs have black seeds and white seeds, here we go. Those are all the seeds I got out of all of the loofahs. So I'm letting them sit. Oh, see another seed. See, they just start slipping on out in the water. So I'm letting them sit in here for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna put them in this bucket over here lined with paper towels and just let them dry out. But that was the big one I cut in half. So that's it for the loofahs. You're here clothes drying, and you're also here clothes washing right now because it's a wash day. So I'm gonna eat some breakfast chill for a second, and then I'm gonna go ahead and head outside, take my seedlings out, let them start hardening off some more, and start pulling more stuff out of the garden beds, because I got to get my greens and lettuce and stuff in those garden beds. All right, I'll see you guys in about an hour. Hi everybody, it's about 3:30, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm not going to step down into the garden because I have my house shoes on, but I just want to show you what it looks like. It looks barren today. Let's see if I could turn this around. Just a moment. This is what it looks like. It is barren. I haven't finished taking out the zinnias, but I got rid of the most of the mints. Got rid of the loofahs. It is barren. I still have a couple of more things I need to do out here, but I have been hardening off the whatchamacallit, the ceilings. I have been hardening them off. It's so weird. I can't turn the camera around when I'm in the portrait video. Just a moment. Okay, so yeah, I've basically taken out everything. Next week I will be hoeing the weeds, and I'll be in the garden, and I'm going to plant the seedlings next week. Just had a lot going on today. I had to do some notaries today, you know, make that money when you can. And that is it for the garden. Everything is looking quiet. Bees and stuff were buzzing me because I was taking down a lot of the flowers that they wanted, but hey, they needed to come down. So I will be looking in the garden for grubs next weekend, but it was nice to pull everything out and just let the garden beds rest. And some of the garden beds have been resting basically more than half of the summer. So I need to till those, check for grubs, and then be adding soil to them so that I can go ahead and plant the seedlings. And then I will be planting more seeds in the seed trays in the seedling trays, so that I can have a big harvest. Stuff like beans. I definitely want to try to get some beans this year. And yeah, so I wasn't able to videotape me out here cleaning because I was basically in a rush. I just had the music going and was just working to the music. But I did get a majority of the garden beds clean, and I'm happy. So I'm basically prepared for next weekend. So I'm going to go in the house and watch Miss T-Nog starting at 5 o'clock. Got the loofahs bleached out and clean. And that is it for me. As I always say, please find peace within yourself, and please be peaceable with each other. I love you all. Have a good evening.